Hey, what's going on, guys? Crypto Prospective here, bringing you my very first live stream event on YouTube. The occasion is there's some pretty big market news, and I just want to deliver it to you guys in a timely manner. First off, let's start talking about the movement today in the crypto market. Bitcoin down almost 2%. For Bitcoin, that's essentially flat for the day, so not a big deal there. Ethereum, however, we're looking at $333.50 per Ether. It's up almost 13% today. That's a huge move, and I'm still doing more research to figure out exactly why that is. Bitcoin Cash tumbling on the day, down 16% and still falling. Ripple flat. Litecoin continues its slow ascent, up past $47 per coin, up 4% today. Dash down 6.5%. Neo down over 10%. And those are the main ones that I usually follow. So there's that quick update. Now, even more importantly, it was announced today that U.S. Congress is working on legislation that would essentially acknowledge cryptocurrency as legitimate currency and provide some protections for it. Now, there would be some conditions that would have to be met in order to be protected. What they're trying to ensure here is that cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, whatever, it's not used for terrorist activities, drug trafficking, any black market stuff. They're trying to avoid that. So I'm going to read a quote here. The centerpiece of the plan is to mainstream digital currency so that it can be treated just like the American dollar. First, there is a new entity that is considering issuing a brand new digital currency that is compliant with anti-money laundering laws unlike any other in circulation. So they want to treat digital currency like the American dollar. That's huge. That is huge. They did say that they're trying to protect it from taxation, though, as well, which is huge. I need to find that quote. Give me a moment here. All right, let's see here. The law needs to be changed to protect digital currencies from federal government harassment to make sure that a compliant currency can be backed by value. The currency cannot be treated like a security or investment, and that transfers are protected against taxation. So Congress is trying to remove the obstacles that prevent digital currency from really going mainstream, and this is huge. This will probably make national headlines. Stay tuned for more. I only have these details right now, but this is pretty big. This is pretty big. If this does make national headlines and really gains that national attention, we're going to see big moves in the price of probably not just Bitcoin, but all the digital currencies. Now, Bitcoin does have to overcome basically some negative attention that it has been receiving lately. The split that created Bitcoin Cash, I think, is starting to be painted as a negative for the currency, and especially the increased risk that SegWit2x is possibly posing here in November. I think people are just realizing that although Bitcoin has a 21 million max supply as of now, I mean, the hard forks are essentially infinite, so there could be all these different offshoots, and essentially you're just adding to the max supply. We split out Bitcoin Cash, now there's 21 million Bitcoin, 21 million Bitcoin Cash. Are we about to have another 21 million Bitcoin Classic? I mean, what the heck is going to happen in November? No one's really sure, so it's just creating some uncertainty, and that is affecting the price of Bitcoin. But this news could turn it around. We will see. I'm not sure if the spike in Ethereum is because of this or not, but again, I'll continue to follow this. I'll continue to do some research, and I'll bring you guys some more official news in a video when I compile the information and get it recorded and edited. Anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate the support, and as always, I'm wishing you all good health and good fortune. Have a good Monday.